So guys, today I'm going to discuss about how to create function and why do we need function in Cassandra. So at here, this example that I already written. So if you execute this query, select a star from HR employees. So HR employees that comes inside expand. So if you're using Cassandra GUI NoSQL Manager, here you can see expand is the key space and here HR employees, here you can find. Now here after the next is, so let's use at here use as point. Now here after, if you execute this query, select a start from, now press enter. So it's displaying at here all the record inside employee. Now here you can find first name and here last name at this place. So at here it's looking bigger. So let's use at here Cassandra. Okay. Now here after let's go to tools tab and we're going to use CQLSS. Now here after this query going to use at this place. And here after let's execute that. So here this is the record inside HR employees table. So if you want to combine at your first name and last name. So at here you can use at your function. So this is the query that I already written to save some time. So at here create or replace function. So let's copy this one first and here paste at this position. So at here the query is create or replace function. The name is concat and your first name that is text tab and your last name that is text tab. You can use that here str1 and str2. Now here after taking a string tag variable name and here it's combining two at here or text tab columns. So at your first name and last name and that return name. Now if I execute this query, so first we need to select this one. It's selected. Here you can find execute selected. So at here executing, it's executed and it has no any problem. So if I go at here as point here inside, so first we need to refresh that. So here you can find concat function, it's created. So this concat function we can apply on different tables. So let's use at here employees table. Okay. So employees table, this all those things here. So here going to copy this query and let's paste at down. Now here, so selecting at here employee ID and here concat function going to use and here in concat function and here passing first name. So at your first name and last name I'm passing. Now if I execute this query, so at here it's now concatenated the first name and last name it's display. Or you can include at here at this place first name and here last name. Now it will give the, so at here I'm doing some mistake, we need to give at here comma. Now press execute once again. So at here center column concatenated this values is man senior, here it's this value tj of son and here tj also it's a display. Now here after the next important thing is, so we can use add here this concat function with the different tables. So add here this is, now here after we can give add here 3 parameter also. So suppose if I give add here in this example, so let's check add here first all the columns inside employees. So add here when it's not necessary you can give add here first name and last name, you can include add here email too. So let's give add here email double quote, here you can find just press email. Now here email is also text tag. Now here after, so I did not include add here last name, so let's skip add here, add this space email. So all are in capital letter. Now if you execute here, so it's a now combined center. This is the email and here it's a combined there. So you cannot give, and here concat function has only two parameters. So you should give only two parameters. You cannot give more than two parameters. So when I give add here at this place last name, okay. Now if I execute, definitely I will get the error. So add here invalid argument call function. So add here our column must be at this place text tab and it has only two parameters. Now add here for three parameter I have different query. So that there I return the query, the function name concat to three parameter. On here you can write str1, str2. So if I give add here str1, so it's taking more time, so I'm not going to do that. Let's add here, we need to modify every place. So wherever first name, that place you can write str1, str2, str3 like that. Now here after, let's copy this one. Now here after, let's paste at this place. Now here after, let's execute this query. So at here executed, no any problem. If you refresh key space, here you can find another concat2 function it's created. Here this is the query at this place. Now concat function it's created. Now here after we can use this concat function on different tables. So let's use add here HR. So let's copy that one and here paste at top, and here you can see this all the columns here, first name, last name, and here giving email. So here let's execute here. So it's combined three columns. So why do we use add here concat function? So you can create one tag and this concat function you can apply in different tables. So you can use EMP, EMP2, and here different tables you can use that. So and here they are using EMP. Okay, like so if I execute this time, so this time I'm going to use add here escort EMP table. So here let's execute. Here this is the all columns inside EMP table. Now hereafter you can use also a star in place of all the columns. So this is the columns. Now you can combine add here to text tag or a string value. So you can combine ename and job. So for this you can go add here concat function. So concat one has only two parameters. So if you want, then here you can combine. So only you need to write add here select a star from add here which escort EMP. So all field that is selected, and here we need job and ename. So let's remove other part. Now here after let's give comma, and here you can use concat one, and here you can combine, going to combine ename and job. So let's write at here email, comma, and here job. Now close that. So by using at here concat, now let's execute. So here getting the right output as code arrest, let's combine. So here one time declared and we can use on different tables, views, synonyms, materialize view and anything. So this is the benefit of function one time create and many time use. So it has only two parameters, so it will accept at this place two columns. It will not accept more than two. Suppose at here when I try to include any other columns, so it will not accept. Like if I give add here only one columns, so definitely it will return the error because argument not matching argument this kind of things it will display. So this is the reason add here to create the function. You can create the function at concat one. You can use add here different tables, and if table has views or synonyms and materialize view, you can use this function in other. So that's why we are using here, and this is the simplest example to create at here or create the function. You can use this all those things, and here this is the simplest create unity function. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.